following. Shade half of the following. See, this is a triangle and this is distributed into two parts. So how many parts are in two parts and how many parts? I have to shade two out of two parts, one part, half. See this one. Half of the following. How many candles are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And take half of the following. So how we will take? Distribute this 6 candles into two equal groups. Into two equal groups. 1, 2, 3. One group. 1, 2, 3. Another group. Two equal groups. And in each group there are 3 candles. In each group there are 3 candles. This candle is divided into how many? Total 6 candles. How many groups? 2 equal groups. And each group there are 3 candles. So half is 3 out of 6. Out of 6, 3 by 6 is half. Out of 6, 3 is half. So, shade 3 candles. How many balls are there? 12. And 1/4 of 12 means we will distribute 12 balls into 4 equal groups. How many groups? 4 equal. 1/4 means 4 equal groups. How many groups? 4 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 4 equal groups and each group how many balls are there? 3 balls in this group, 3 balls in this group, 3 balls in this group and 3 balls in this group. So 1/4 of 12 means 1/4 in each group there are 3 balls. And how many groups I have to take? 1. 3 into 1 is equal to 3. 1/4 of 12 is equal to 3 balls. Similarly, total number of balls is equal to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1/2 of 4 means distribute 4 balls into 2 equal groups. 1, 2, 3. And each group there are 2 balls. And each group there are 2 balls. So each group 2 balls. And how many groups I have to take? 1. Out of 2 groups, 1 group. 2 into 1 is equal to 2. So 1/2 of 4th or 1/2 of 4th is equal to 2 balls. Similarly, here you see. Total ball 9. And we have to distribute this 9 balls into how many groups? 3 equal groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And each group, see, 3 balls. In 3 equal groups, there are 3 balls. And see, how many groups I have to take out of 3 groups? 2. So, 3 balls in each group and 2 groups. Out of 3 groups, 3 into 2 is equal to 6. The last one. Total balls is equal to 10. 3/5 of 10. Now I have to distribute these 10 balls into 5 equal groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And in each group there are 2 balls. In each group there are 2 balls. Now 2 balls in each group and I have to take 3 groups out of 5 groups. 3 groups out of 5 groups. So 2 into 3 is equal to 6. So 3/5 of 10 is equal to 6 balls. Of the following. See, this circle, how many parts are there? 1, 2, 3. Out of 3 parts, we have to shade one part. So, shade it. Now next, question number 2. 1/3 of the following. See, there are 15 umbrellas. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. How many umbrellas are there? 15 umbrellas. And how many umbrellas we have to set? 1/3. How many umbrellas we have to set? 1/3 means 1/3 of 50. So 15 is distributed into 3 groups. 1 group, 2 group and 3 group. 1 group, 2 group and 3 group. And each group there are 5 umbrellas. And each group there are 5 umbrellas. Into each 3 equal groups, and each group how many umbrellas? 5. So 1/3 of 15. 3 out of 1 part means 1/3. In one group of 3 there are 5 umbrellas. So how many umbrellas? In one group of 3, how many umbrellas are there? 5. And how many groups I have to take out of 3 groups? 1. 5 into 1 is equal to 5. So how many umbrellas I have to take? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have to take 5 umbrellas. Of the following. So, how many kites are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. And how many I have to take? 1. Out of 4, 1. One kite. 4 means 4 equal groups. 1 in this group, 1 in this group, 1 in this group and 1 in this group. And shade 1 out of 4. So, 1 kite is shaded. The following. See how many balls are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24 balls are there. How many balls are there? 24 balls are there. And I have to distribute this 24 balls into how many groups? 4 equal groups. How many groups? 4 equal groups. So each group there are 6 balls. 1 group, 2 group, 3 group, 4 groups. And each group there are how many balls? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 4 equal group. Each group, how many balls are there? 6 balls. Now I have to take how many group of 4? 1 group of 4. That means in each group, how many balls are there? 6 balls. In each group of 4, how many balls are there? 6 balls. And we have to take 1. 1/4 means 1 out of 4. So 6 into 1 is equal to 6. That means we have to shade 1/4 of the following. 6 balls out of 24 balls. 1/4 of 24 equal to 6. So shade 6 balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.